President Trump announced today that Pfizer has agreed to lower prices for some prescription drugs. The president says that some drugs could see price cuts between 50 to 100%. He added that Americans will be able to purchase the medications on a website called Trump RX, which will be run by the federal government. CBS News senior White House correspondent Weijia Jiang asked President Trump when Americans could start seeing those lower prices.
When will prices come down, Mr. President? When can
Immediately.
Americans?
They're going to start coming down. Drug prices, well, they'll be starting immediately.
All right, there's a lot of ground to cover here. So for more, let's bring in CBS News White House reporter Olivia Rinaldi. Olivia, good to have you back on. So the president says some Pfizer medications will be sold at a reduced, quote, most favored nation cost. What exactly does that mean and how would that work?
Well, Tom, it's a good question. This is essentially this policy that the Trump administration has been going back and forth to pharmaceutical companies and asking them to really acquiesce to. This is the most favored nations policy, which would mean that the U.S. drug makers would price their drugs here in the U.S., selling to Americans at the same price that they do for other high-income nations. So essentially, think of it as subsidized drugs here in the U.S. So the White House, back in May, Trump had signed an executive order asking the administration, or asking these drug makers, rather, to voluntarily lower their prices. That deadline was on Monday for them to agree to, and it appears Pfizer has agreed to it today. As you mentioned, these will now be sold on the website Trump RX, which will allow Americans to compare drug prices and purchase them directly from there. There are a variety of websites that do this already. GoodRx is one of them. And you should also note that the Pfizer CEO, Albert Bourla, who was there today in the Oval Office, said that part of the reason why they chose to take this action at this time was because of those impending tariffs on drug makers who make their drugs outside the U.S., then sell them here in country. He said because of that, they made the choice to have this agreement with the Trump administration.
No doubt other drug manufacturers are watching this move very closely from Pfizer for the ramifications of it. So could we see potentially other drug manufacturers making similar deals?
Well, certainly. We actually heard from Dr. Oz earlier today, who said that they have a couple more of those agreements in the works. We should be able to see them within the next couple of weeks, Tom.
Olivia Rinaldi reporting for us from Washington. Olivia, thank you.